Unraveling the Dreamer Within, Understanding A Dreamer at Heart. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: a dreamer at heart. It's a beautiful expression that paints a picture of someone's personality and aspirations. So, if you're ready to explore what it means to be a dreamer at heart, and how you can use this phrase in your conversations, stay tuned. First, let's dissect a dreamer at heart. This phrase combines two key components: a dreamer and at heart. A dreamer is someone who imagines or envisions possibilities beyond the current reality, often with a sense of hope or desire for something different or better. The term at heart adds depth to this, suggesting that this dreaming is not just a surface-level habit or occasional thought, but a core part of the person's identity and nature. Being a dreamer at heart implies more than just daydreaming. It indicates a person with a deep-rooted optimism and a persistent belief in the potential for positive change or achievement, regardless of the current circumstances. This trait is often associated with creativity, ambition, and the ability to envision and strive for a better future. It's about holding on to your dreams and aspirations, even when they seem distant or challenging to achieve. You can use a dreamer at heart in several ways in English conversations or writing. It can describe yourself, someone you know, or even characters in stories or movies. For example, despite the challenges, she remains a dreamer at heart, always believing in a brighter future. I've always been a dreamer at heart, filled with ideas and hopes for what's yet to come. It's a powerful way to acknowledge the optimistic and visionary aspects of someone's personality. Understanding and using the phrase, a dreamer at heart, enriches our language and allows us to express deep and complex ideas about people's nature and aspirations. We hope this video has illuminated the beauty and depth of this phrase for you. Remember, being a dreamer at heart is a wonderful quality, reflecting hope, creativity, and a steadfast belief in the possibility of a better tomorrow. Thank you for joining us, and keep dreaming big.